In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a WordPress site on Hostinger using the built-in staging feature. This is one of the easiest and safest ways to clone your website so you can test changes, redesign pages, install new plugins, or experiment with updates without affecting your live site. A lot of beginners try to manually copy files or export databases, which can get complicated very quickly. Thankfully, Hostinger provides a simple staging tool that can duplicate your site automatically in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Hostinger or WordPress. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, go to the website section where all the domains connected to your hosting account are listed. Find the WordPress website that you want to duplicate. On the right side of that website listing, click on Manage to open the management panel for that specific site. This is where Hostinger gives you access to tools like File Manager, databases, backups, and WordPress settings. Now look for the search bar inside the management panel and type the word Staging. Hostinger will show you the WordPress staging tool, which is designed specifically for creating a duplicate version of your website. Go ahead and click on the staging option. Now before continuing, it's important to know that the staging feature is available on higher tier Hostinger hosting plans, such as the premium or business plans. If you're using a lower plan, you may not see this option available. But if your plan supports staging, you'll see a button that says Create Staging. This is the feature that will automatically clone your WordPress site, including the content, themes, plugins, and settings. When you click this button, Hostinger will begin the process of preparing a staging copy of your website. Next, you'll be asked to enter a staging name. This name simply helps Hostinger generate the staging environment and staging URL. You can choose any simple name, such as staging, test, dev, or anything that helps you identify the duplicate version of your website. After entering the name, click the Create button to begin the cloning process. Hostinger will now start copying your entire WordPress installation to a new staging environment. This includes your website files, database, themes, plugins, media files, and configurations, so the staging site becomes an exact duplicate of your live site. Now give Hostinger a little time to complete the process. The time it takes depends on the size of your website, but usually it only takes a minute or two. Once the cloning process is finished, Hostinger will generate a staging URL for the duplicated site. This staging URL is where you can access the cloned version of your website. When you open this link, you'll see a full copy of your original WordPress site running in a separate environment. The great thing about this is that any changes you make here will not affect your live website. You can now safely test new plugins, edit your theme, redesign pages, update WordPress, or troubleshoot issues without risking your real website. When you're done testing, Hostinger also allows you to push the staging changes back to the live site if needed. And that's it. That's how you duplicate a WordPress site on Hostinger using the staging feature. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.